Can you tell the difference? Hey, my hair is giving longitude now, undulating.
Today's video isn't the regular hair tutorials, okay? I'm going to introduce you all to the K9 microphone. Ta-da! Drum roll! Okay, so this is for iPhone and then Type-C, okay? Android Type-C. It can be used for live shows, interviews, and then vlog short videos, okay? So we're going to talk about the content of the package, how it is used, and then yeah, we are basically going to test the microphone. So mind you, there's a school near my house, and so you can hear background noises. We are hoping that by the time we start using this microphone, we are going to know whether the background noise is going to remain or not, okay? So let's take it out and check the contents of the package. So it has two microphones. This is one, and this is the second microphone, okay? One and then two. Now this one you are seeing over here is a receiver. It's a Type-C receiver, and then the one close to it is the iPhone receiver. I'm going to take them all out so you see. And then this box contains the cord, or let's say a charger, okay? It just doesn't have a head, it's just the cord for charging the microphones, okay? So you can get one with just one microphone, but then I went for the one that has two microphones. Okay, so let's get right into it. So here are the microphones. It has this peg or a clip. Let me say a clip. And then it has the power button, okay? So you press this for like few seconds, and then the light is supposed to be on, okay? So I've already charged this particular one, okay? And so let's test it. So let's press this power button for some time. And then you see it's blinking. Why is it blinking? Because I haven't plugged in the receiver, okay? I haven't attached the receiver to my phone, okay? So this works hand in hand with the receiver. I don't know whether I can see if it's blinking. It works hand in hand with the receiver, okay? So we will test that very soon. But let's turn it off. So yeah, it has two microphones. And then this is the Type-C receiver. This is it. Then this is the iPhone receiver. So if you are an iPhone user, okay, you would have to insert it in here. And then this is what you have. So this is what you are going to put in the charging port of your phone, okay? So if you are coming to charge your phone, wherever you insert the charger, this is where I'm talking about, okay? So let's do that. So this time it's not blinking, right? Because I have plugged in my receiver.
Can you tell the difference? Hey, my hair is giving longitude now, undulating. Anyways, can you tell the difference? So one thing about it is that when you are speaking, okay, you wouldn't know how you sound until you are done. Yes, it's not like the regular microphones that we use in our churches or outside, where like when you're actually singing or talking, you can hear yourself, okay? But this particular one is like you are recording, so the phone is receiving everything that you are saying through the microphone, and then the receiver, okay? They work hand in hand, and that is it. So as I'm sitting here, I can't really hear myself, okay? So you be my judge. Can you tell the difference? Like when I started the video, I wasn't using the microphone, but now I'm using it. Can you tell the difference? Like, tell me, what's the difference? So guys, in order for me to continue this video, I would have to clip this to my shirts, okay? So I'll be able to take the charger and then try all others very easily, okay? So you can clip it to your shirt like this, okay? But then if you don't have a shirt like this, then use this pin. This pin. Let's do something. So now let's clip this to the pin. And just like that, it's secured. But anyways, so the last thing that we have to take out is the charger. The charger is in this box. And this is what it looks like. So it's more of a cord. I don't know whether you can use regular Type-C chargers to charge the microphone key. But then, this is what it looks like. So I'm going to show you how to charge it. And then I'll be right back. I'm going to put it in this charger head. And it's supposed to be red. Okay. When it shows red, it means it is charging. When it's not showing red, try and adjust the charger very well. If it still isn't showing, then I think it's faulty. Now it has a manual, okay? I haven't even opened the manual. But then it shows you how to use it, and every information you need is on the manual. Every information you need is on the manual, okay? So use the manual. Use it. Now it has 20 meters accessible reception. It means that if the microphone is 20 meters away from your phone, you can still use it. And then it's highly sensitive. I feel like once I shake myself for some time, once I shake myself, I'm going to hear some sound. Just shaking it like this. You hear the sound? So you can use it for your live shows, your interviews, your vlogs. Okay, so if you have a guest on your channel, okay, because as you film, okay, you keep checking whether the green light is still on. Because if it goes off, it means that everything that you are saying is going into the air. Nothing is recording. So like keep checking intermittently, keep checking. Like you get. Let's turn this one on. So you press this power button for a while until you see the green light. So let's say if I have a guest on my channel, okay, I can just say, so I'll use mine, and then he or she can also clip it to his or her shirt, okay. And then I'm like, hello, I'm Rosemond, and you are. I don't even have to look at her because she also has a microphone, okay, and the sound is going to be the same. I wouldn't have to worry about the background noise. I wouldn't have to worry about shouting. You get it, okay. And this is also good for street interviews. Okay, so if you're out there doing a street interview, so you have one, whoever you are interviewing also has one, and then it works. Yeah, so they both work at it. You can use both microphones at the same time, and that is one good thing about it. If you are filming alone, okay, and then you realize that it's the one you're using has gone off, you can just switch to the other one, okay, and then it works very well. So I don't really film a lot, like I don't film every single day, and so it lasts like when I charge it, it lasts for more than a week. I'm talking of just one. It lasts for more than a week and I'm able to use it very well. I think that is all. Yeah, I'm going to leave. I got this microphone from Jumia. Okay, I'm going to leave the price on the screen. I've forgotten about the price, sincerely. I've forgotten about the price, and so I'm going to leave it on the screen. Yes, I'll just type the price on the screen, and then if you would want to get one for yourself, feel free. So I would like to know what you all think about this video, like everything that I have said so far. Do you think this is a good review?
If you are new here, my name is Usman Kwanza and I create content on natural hairstyling, braids and more.
Thank you all so much for watching. Kindly like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video.